Now, let us see what makes a web service different from other distributed software systems. For this topic, there are three aspects that we can consider in the discussion. First, infrastructure. Second, platform and language, which referring to the underlying operating system and the programming language used to consume or to construct the web service. Third, design of the web service, how it should be designed, is it the same or different from other software components? Let's look at the first aspect, which is the infrastructure. The publication and consumption of web service are done in open infrastructure, meaning it uses industry standard, vendor independent protocols, and open languages such as HTTP, XML, and JSON. Those who are involved need to comply to this standard for ease of development, for maintenance purposes, and interchange of data between two different applications. Web service can build on existing networking, existing data format and security and other infrastructure that are already in place. By reusing all of this, it will lower the entry costs. Besides that, it promotes interoperability among services. A web service can be published with production-grade web server, the same server for the website publishing. Organizations that publish websites with production-grade web servers such as Apache 2 IIS can publish web services with these web servers. It's like we add on another module on the web server. It is not a must for you to procure a new web server to host web service. Finally, we use firewalls and other security mechanisms to defend our websites. The same security parameter can be used to defend the web service as well. To conclude, on open infrastructure, we can use the current software and hardware that we have in place to host our web service.